Okay, I'm done there. And it was nice of Deer to give me some of these water breathing potions. I don't really know what I'm going to use them for, but okay. Well, they said they saw a cave over here with some water, so I guess they gave me them for that. So let's go find the cave. I'm pretty sure it was over here, near the bottom of the mountain. Okay, let's find our way through. Oh, there's a ravine there. Don't want to fall in there. Okay. I think it was over here. Maybe. And like around here. Maybe I have to go up a bit. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, what are these? They're like, oh, those are like the things like around my place, like shroom lights. They're called shroom lights. I wonder what they're doing in here. Guess we may have to go through. So let's find our way through. Oh, that was some cover back there, but there's some more vines here. Don't want to accidentally get caught in any. Oh, almost got tangled in one. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Come up here and there. It looks like there's like an entrance over here. Like, okay. So, oh, I think they're leading a path, huh? What is that? I wonder what this is. What is this stuff? They look weird. Oh, there's some there. This looks weird. Ugh, they're all sticky. Like they're so gooey and sticky on my shoes. Hmm. There's like a few ways. Is there a way up here? No, that's a dead end. I'm pretty sure the other place was a dead end. Oh, I just hit my head. Okay, so through here. Oh, there's more of this stuff, and a lot of other weird plants and stuff. There's mushrooms too. Hmm. Uh, hmm. I think, have I forgotten something back here? No, no, there's no other way, yeah. Okay, guess this is the only way that we can go. Or I can go. Sometimes yeah. Okay, oh, I guess we could, oh, it's thorny, but it's fine, we could go down it. There's mushrooms. Oh, there's grass and more water. Oh, there's water. Oh, there's a bunch of shroomlights in there, but is there something up there? I don't know. Hmm, let's try to get up there. Okay, is there any way? We can't climb. Let's dig over. Okay, okay. Anyways, let's get up here and oh, come on. Sweat. I am not good at. I am not good at getting through this stuff right now. Oops, and I even missed that. Seriously? Okay. Anyways, let's come up here. What's over here? Oh, there's something down there. Oh, right, the water breathing potions. Okay, just so we don't drown. What's down here? There's a chest? Hmm. Okay, guess we'll read that. Okay. Oh, wait. We should probably get out just in case we don't want to drown. Then we'll read it. And we don't want this book soggy. I don't know anymore. The legends say that the goddess of glitches was taken by the hunters. Not like human hunters, these weird creature hunters. Big teeth, multiple sets of teeth, and like big claws. They have human forms too, but they have gone into hiding. This was over like 100,000 years ago. I'm going to wait and why does it leave off there? That's confusing. Wait, it has a name. Document 2. Hmm. Why does it say document 2? Let's put it in my pocket. Hmm. I don't know what this means. Anyways. Hmm. Yeah, I have no idea what this means. I didn't even know this was here. How did Dio stumble upon this place? Hmm. Guess we'll go back and like try to figure out another place. But is there anything down here first? No, I don't think so. The stream light stopped there. Anyways, let's go back up and let's check. So, yeah, I don't think there's anything here. So let's go. What's down here? Oh, there's a door. Why is there a door? Oh my God. What is in here? Okay, first off, hmm, there's flowers, stuff, and other things. So, what is that? What is that? That's like, what kind of thing is that? Oh, there's a book. Let's read it. Okay, oh, we should probably take off the pedestal, then read it. Okay, hmm. Let's read. Wait, hold on. It has a name. Entries 1 and 2. Okay. I found this weird thing. I'm thinking of calling it the crack. Entry 1. So I'm guessing the crack is that thing, if I'm correct. These weird things start to come out of the crack. I don't know what they are. They are giving off a weird roar. Kinda makes me want to be silent and kill. Entry 2. What does that mean? I think it's these things, like the, I don't know. Hmm. Let me just skim over it again and make sure I read it correctly. Really hope it doesn't actually say kill. Hmm. Yep, it definitely says kill. But why? Why does it say kill? Huh. I guess. Well, oh, there's a record here. Wait, what does it say? Wait, oh, wrong thing. Accidentally opened the book. Anyways. Hmm. Let's put that back and let's see. Okay, let's put that back and what is there? Oh right, there's a disc here. Anyways, play me with a smiley face. Why is it signed like that? Huh. Guess we should play it. Anyways, let's do it. Is that it? Oh my God! Oh, that gave me the chills. Okay, let's put that back down and let's put that back. Okay. Let's not put that back on again. Okay. What? Let's check. What are these? Anyways, let's check this out. So I guess this is the crack. Hmm. Oh my god. Oh god, that made me feel dizzy. No. Ugh. Okay. Nope. Let's not do that. Hmm. What is all this? Huh. Well, what are these? Let's pick these up. Okay, let's get them. What are these? They sort of look like kinds of berries. I don't know. Anyways, let's get down here. All right. Oh, what's this? Let's pick this up. Let's see. What is this? Hmm. Oh, this smells weird. Oh, oh God, I feel dizzy. Oh God, why do I feel so dizzy? Oh, it's hard to keep my eyes open and like. Oh God. Okay, okay. Oh, hopefully it was all a dream. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it was all a dream. I'm back at my bed. Yeah. So I guess we could go on an adventure. Let's go